All right, hey, it's Doc Chelle. We are doing Unit 5, Lesson 5, Unit Circle Trigonometry from Khan Academy. We are looking at the harder examples, and we are on page 97 of my book. If you haven't seen the previous video, make sure that you watch it to understand my formula that I like to use. Now, all that makes this harder is our radian measure is a little bit more complicated. So I'm still going to have pi over 80. I want degrees, so I'm going to have x in the denominator. Oh, remember, this only works if you have the Desmos calculator set to College Board. Okay, in the numerator, I'm going to write the fraction 4/5 pi. So I have to make another fraction and then put 4/5 and then use the arrow key and put pi. And when I do this, I had already zoomed out, but I can clearly see that the answer is 144 degrees. What is 585 degrees? Actually, let's jump down to number 6, just because it's already set up this way. What is 14 over 3 pi in radians? So I'm just going to make this say 14. I'll make my denominator here say 3. So 14 pi over 3 in degrees. Let's keep scrolling out until we see a line. We're going to do a lot of scroll outs. This would probably be a good example of when you should just change the x values to 1,000. But and there we go, 840 degrees for a number on the bottom. And then I'm going to hit the center button or the home button to come back to center. And then now it wants 585 degrees in radians. So in my denominator, I'll put 585. And in my numerator, I'm going to delete all this nonsense and just put x. Don't forget that you should have your settings set on radians. So if you had just done a trigonometry question on your test, you want to make sure that you come back and do that. All right, when we do that, we look in and we get this point right here, and that's our answer, 13 pi over 4. The end. Like, it's insanely easy when you learn how to use a Desmos calculator. That's why this channel is so important. Like, subscribe, tell everyone, because if you only watch the Khan Academy videos, you won't get to learn all these techniques. We just finished Unit 5, Lesson 5, so head back over to Khan Academy and answer those questions using the techniques I just showed you. When you come back, we'll do the last, I think it's the last lesson of the unit, which is on circle equations. See you later.